Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a little preview of Scrap Diva Designs August release. I just received these in the mail, so I wanted to come on and show you all of the dies that will be released on August 1st. So I'm just going to give you a quick preview. I have one project made. I've been busy working on my Christmas in July hop, which if you follow Scrap Diva Designs, you know that is this Saturday. So there'll be a bunch of the designers who will be participating, including myself. So make sure you come back on Saturday to see what I made for Christmas in July and what the other designers made as well. But anyway, so just that to say that I just had time to make one little project from the August release, but of course I'll be making all of them throughout the month of August. So my referral link will be down below in the description box. If you click on that and place an order, I do get a commission from the sale, so thank you to everybody who uses that. Also, don't forget to use my coupon code at checkout at scrapdivadesigns.com. The code is strawberry cream and you'll save 10% off of your order. All right, so like I said, just a quick preview of everything that's going to be coming. There's a lot of farm type of dies this month, so I love that. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will too. So this is the first set, and this is non-farm related, but definitely something you can use in your everyday projects. This is the uppercase alphabet and numbers. So as you can see, it has one plate for all of the letters and numbers, which is great, so you won't lose any of your letters. And if you want to just do a few at a time, just cut out a piece of cardstock and just use some mint tape on top of the letter you want to use, and that way, you know, it'll just cut out one letter and you won't waste your paper. So it gives you all 26 letters, and then the numbers 1 through 0, as well as parentheses, question marks, exclamation points, and that sort of thing. So that's the uppercase set, and then there is also a lowercase set you can get too. So you can combine them, use them separately, whatever you want to do. There's a $, an ampersand, and yeah, so this will be great for all your projects. I mean, obviously, letters and numbers you use all the time, especially birthdays, anniversaries, that sort of thing. Okay, the next set of dies is the Heart Fantasy Flower, and this comes with 2 plates, the smaller set and the larger set. Of course, you can combine them if you want to. So just take a look at the detail of those. Aren't those pretty? I love the petals. They're scalloped. There are little cutouts in each petal, and there are 2 little hearts, if you could see that, on each petal as well. It does come with flower centers, and those are like heart-shaped too on the ends. So I think these will be so pretty put together, and I love when flower dies have an uneven number of petals. So when you stack them, you know, you can alternate them, and it looks really nice that way. So I think these will be so pretty. I can't wait to make these. I'm not a huge flower maker, but I love when they're so detailed like this, and there's not a lot you have to do to make them look really pretty. So that's what I appreciate about dies like this. And you'll notice that there's still the pretty teal color. I just love that. I'm so glad Erica chose this color. All right, so we have that set. Next we have, this is a big set. This is a 3D embellishment book. And this one comes with dies inside it as well. So I will show you all of the dies in detail when I make projects with them, but now it's just the preview. So it comes with the word love. It comes with all these pretty flowers too. Oh, those are pretty. The embossing detail on those, really, really nice. So it comes with, looks like 4, maybe 5 of the smaller ones, 3 of the larger ones. Comes with layering pieces that are stitched. So that'll be fun to see what that turns out to be. I have no idea as of yet. Again, these are not available right now. They'll be available August 1st, so I don't know what they look like either. Okay, the next set is the Triple Star Bow. So as you can see the details on the bow, there are little stars that cut out. So it looks like eyelet, except the details are stars instead of circles. So it comes with the bigger loop, the medium loop, and then this one, let's see, this looks like it'll go on the this will be the outer piece, the tails of the bow. And this is, okay, so this is a layering piece that goes on there. This is the layering pieces that go on the loops. So there's layering pieces for the tails, layering pieces for the bows. Okay, so there are 2 different sizes, so you can layer, so you know, you can combine them if you want, the bigger loop and the smaller loop, or make them into separate bows. So really, really pretty. And of course it does come with the little ties that go around the center of the bow. I always like to use those, especially if you're not doing major embellishing on the center of the bow. So there's that one. The next one is another big set. Feels like there's some dies on the inside. This is the 3D barn gift box. Oh, you can already imagine how many cute projects are going to be on the product page and on Scrap Diva Designs. If you follow the hashtag, you'll see on Instagram and on YouTube. So the 3D barn gift box, that will be adorable. And yeah, I already am thinking about things to make with that. All right, and the next set we have, this is a big one. This is a cow mini album. Do you guys love cows? I love cows. My daughter is a huge cow fan, so I think this would be great to make a birthday card for her, or, you know, a mini album for her. So of course Erica's dies, her mini album dies always come with the 3 layers. There's the base layer, there's a stitched layer, and then there's a more detailed top layer. And then it comes with, all right, this is another layer. It looks like it embosses, so maybe this, I'm not sure how they all fit together, but we will figure that out. And then there are, it looks like a party hat. Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, there's a party hat on the cow, so it would be perfect for a birthday card. And then all the little eyes and noses and, you know, ear layering pieces, things like that. So look how cute that is. Ah, adorable. I think that one will be my favorite so far. But then, wait, there are some more smaller ones here too. So there's, you won't be able to see the whole word, but it's the word grateful. And it does come with a layering die too, and you can see the fonts are really pretty script. So there's grateful, good for your upcoming fall projects. And not only grateful, we also have thankful. So grateful and thankful, great for Halloween, Thanksgiving cards and projects. And then there are some really cute little animals too, farm animals. This one is the cow. So these are metal, the next few that I'm going to be showing you, but they're all plate dies too. So all the pieces come together, which is so good for these smaller layering pieces for like the hooves and the ears and things like that. So that's the cute cow. So that'll look cute put together, I'm sure. And then we have a cute horse. So you could see it even leaves embossing lines on the big pieces, so you know exactly where to put the layering pieces. So there's the horse. And the one that I did play with already is the pig. And I'll show you this one because I did use this one already. So this is the pig die. So it comes with the body, a layering piece for the head, which these lines are all embossed, all these features, and these are little pieces that you'll put on top of there. There's also little feet too for the pig, so you put those over there. And then there's a nose layering piece too, and he's got the little curly tail, of course, and you can imagine how cute it is, right? But you don't have to imagine because I made one so you could see. So this is the little piggy. How cute is he? Oh my gosh, I used some pink paper, of course, for a little piggy that has little white hearts on it. And I used black glossy paper for all of the different elements. For the nose part, I cut out some white glitter pieces too to just put in the snout. And then it has a line that's embossed for the mouth, and you could go over that with a pen or something like that, but I just cut out an extra piece of the eyebrows or an extra eyebrow and glued that on there. So I think that looks good for a mouth. Isn't he cute? Or she? And I added a big sequin there on his head or her head, and a little black diamond dot too to make it just look a little finished there. And then the black feet, of course. And then I did pop up the head on a thin piece of foam tape just to give it a teeny bit of a dimension. Let me measure this guy for you. So I'm assuming the horse and the cow will look equally as cute. So this, not including the tail, is about 2.5 inches, maybe 2 3/4 including the tail, and that side to side. Top to bottom, we have about 2 3/8. If you hear any meowing, Gus is meowing to get in, but I had to close the door. But he'll come in a minute. So anyway, that is the first project I made for this farm release. I hope you like it. I think he's so cute. Look at those cute little ears too, right? And it came together so quick too. You just have to cut out, you know, two colors if you want. I cut out just a little piece of the white glitter too, just to add a little shine on his nose. Oh, when I put gel pen on the eyes, just to add a little bit of a highlight, which is easy enough to do. All right, you guys, so this is the August release from Scrap Diva Designs. It will be available on the 1st, of course. Don't forget to use my referral link if you decide to place an order. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys. And my coupon code Strawberry Cream, use that at checkout to get 10% off of your order. All right, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you watch on Saturday for the Christmas in July hop. I will have some prizes available too, so make sure you come back. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching and have a great day. I will talk to you soon. Bye.